Here's it running after I balanced it. Doesn't need that much air, but it wasn't supposed to. It runs much better now. The center hub was off balance, so it was really, really loud. Surprisingly, a good power factor for a shade pole. Doesn't shake that much. Back is definitely lacking guard. These were made in the 30s-ish. Or I think it was like 34 or something, I forget. 34 or 35. And when they made this, actually, they don't have the tag or the little number in it. I don't think they did it on the seagulls, but these were kind of throwaway fans even back then. But they're kind of cool. In my opinion, I don't really care for them, but if I find one, I guess I'll buy it. They had the oscillator version, which is deluxe version. But I guess that'd be pretty cool. It's running good. I added some oil to it, but I'm gonna let the owner take this one completely apart. It's not my fan, so I don't really care what happens to it. Well, for a little fan, it's kind of quiet for the breeze it puts out. It's not that much air that's movement, but for a desk, it wouldn't be bad. It'd be pretty nice compared to normal fans, though. Kind of an uneven surface. But this one will look really cool if it was all cleaned up. See, one spot I cleaned up with some polish, some paint wax, and it looks really nice. So, look really cool, cleaned up and everything. But that's the tag, so thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and that's the Seagull Emerson.